So the other day I bought this set of hack socket head metric bolts and nuts from Amazon, but the case that came with it is just really tiny, and when you flip it over, things get all mixed up together. So I decided to scale up the case and design my own case, and comes with two pieces. It comes with a lid with a hinge, and also these compartments is a lot bigger than the original case. It's also deeper as well. And you notice also on the lid itself, it's got this extrusion so that when you close the case, it's gonna keep all these parts in the original place. And it's got a little snap hatch on the front that's really easy to use. So it just snaps in place like this, and then when you flip it over, things just don't go anywhere. And I printed these in two parts. The top part is supposed to be a transparent PLA, but it's more like translucent, and the bottom part is just some white PLA. And I even scanned in this original label, and I printed on another new sheet of vinyl paper so that you can just stick it on like that. There you have it. The original case, the new case. If you want the STL, let me know and I'll share it.